Hey guys, how you doing? This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and you too can join the club at richpicksdaily.com where you can learn how to win and trade. Hi, how's everybody doing today? I'm your host, Rich, here on behalf of Rich TV Live and richpicksdaily.com and RICHTV.io with our very special guest, Nick Appleyard, the CEO of TriStar Gold. How are you doing today, Nick?
Very good. Thanks, Rich. Very good.
Very excited to have you on the show today, Nick. Very excited to learn more about what's happening with TriStar Gold. Everyone right away put TriStar Gold on your radar and on your watch list. The symbol in Canada is TSG. The symbol in America, TSGZF. And my first question to you, Nick, is great to have you back on the show today. Can we discuss TriStar's future drilling targets and what the exploration potential is? First, can you go through how TriStar plans on increasing the resource confidence?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got sort of three components to our drill programs coming up. The simplest, I guess you would say, would be updating resource confidence. You have to do that so you can finance a mine in the future. You have to have a certain amount of measured resources, which become proven reserves. And that's just infill drilling. So we've got about 40,000 meters of RC infill drilling to do over the next 18 months now.
Wow. Very, very exciting. Excited to see you guys grow and develop and evolve. Can you go through TriStar's resource growth?
Yeah, so sort of the second part of the exploration program for us is resource growth. Right now, we've got 1.8 million ounces of indicated resources, an additional 700,000 ounces of inferred resources. We really want to grow that. We think we've got a lot more potential. This is a large property. We've only drilled a portion of it, and it's one ore body. So we sort of know that it continues. We've got really good signs everywhere that the same ore body just continues. So it's a matter of stepping out and drilling and expanding that 700,000 ounce inferred resource and just proving to ourselves or showing to the world that what we already believe we know, that it just keeps on going. So that's just step out drilling, adding more resources on either a 100-meter grid or a 50-meter grid, depending on where we are on the property.
Fantastic. And we love junior miners that are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. We believe that TriStar Gold fits in that category. Can you tell us about any new exploration targets that you guys might be looking at right now?
Yeah, so this is sometimes we consider, people consider the most exciting part of it. So we've been working with an artificial intelligence consultant using AI and machine learning to look at some new targets. So we've got the areas we know we've got resources we can step out from, but sort of across the other side of the property, 6-7 kilometers away, the AI is coming up and saying, you've got all the same signals over on this side here, 7 or 8 kilometers away. And there's no drilling, but there's some gold in the soils. There's some informal mine workings there. So there's gold there. And then the AI is telling us it's the same unit, it's all connected underground. So we want to go and hit them as well. So that'll be the AI guys have given us about just under 10,000 meters of drilling and go, okay, here's, about 10, 12 spots to go and hit, a few targets to a few drill holes in each area to ground truth it, see if it works. But that's the exciting stuff, which sort of takes you from that sort of global, a couple of million ounces, it's going to add on millions of ounces if you hit something completely new.
Now, we've got investors from all over the world that watch Rich TV Live every single day. And those investors are always looking to be able to get in contact with the company or learn more from the company, get an opportunity to speak directly with the company. If there was anything that you would want to discuss or talk about to investors today that are current shareholders of TriStar Gold or thinking about becoming shareholders in TriStar Gold, what would that be?
Really, I feel like the project is uniquely placed right now. We've got this large reserve. We've got 1.4 million ounces where we've got an independent study says this is highly profitable as it is. You've done enough drilling here to get a lot of confidence in what's in the ground, and we've done the economics of it. We know what it costs and how much revenue. So that's like sort of in the bag. And now you've got all this upside still to come. It's like you got the best of both worlds. There are companies out there with good exploration, and there are some with some good assets. And we've got a good asset sort of in our pocket already that's moving forward in permitting, and we've still got all this exploration upside to come as well. So you got the best of both worlds here. And I think the one thing, and sometimes it doesn't get enough press, is that the location. It's in a great location to develop a mine. And that's really, really important in developing a mine.
What is the best way for investors to get in touch with the company if they have any questions in regards to what we covered today?
Through our website, or the email is info@tristargold.com, and that comes straight to me.
Fantastic. Now, if you guys are not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. We believe that TriStar Gold is extremely undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed. Put the symbol TSG on your radar immediately in Canada and TSGZF in America. We believe that this is a company that has huge potential. You are hearing directly from the CEO, Nick Appleyard. Thank you for joining us today, Nick.
Thanks very much for having me, Rich.
I would love to invite you back anytime you have big breaking news, anything you want to discuss. If there's any big things happening with gold or anything happening in the metal sector, we'd love to invite you back on our show to discuss it. And if you guys have any questions for Nick, please feel free to contact him directly, ask him whatever you would like. He will communicate with you if you're an existing shareholder, or if you have any questions as a potential future shareholder, he can talk with you and communicate with you with any questions that you might have. And I must remind you guys that Rich TV Live is strictly for information and education purposes. Please do your due diligence, do your research before investing anything we talk about or discuss here on Rich TV Live. Investing is inherently risky, so please consult a financial advisor. Chances are when you speak to a financial advisor, they're going to say, where'd you get this pick? You can say from Rich TV Live. They're going to say it's a really good pick. So thank you for your time today, Nicholas. We wish you all the best of luck. And thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching, because we bring you the winners, just like TriStar Gold, and we bring them to you first. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you, Nick, for joining us. And have a great day, everybody. We'll see you soon.